Bitcoin is on its way to 93K. Let me show you why. So guys, I'm just busy with my Chart Hackers daily update and I'm taking a look at Bitcoin on the higher time frame, and one of the things that is really shouting at me at the moment is this 93K level that you can see on your chart in front of you. Now, why is this an important level? Well, those of you that watch me on my show regularly and those of you that have done my accelerator course understand how much emphasis I put on fibs, and most importantly the macro fibs. And you can see right now on the chart in front of you, Bitcoin is currently sitting on its macro 236 fib after that all-time high rejection. Now, why are these fibs important? Well, number one, I use them on various time frames and they are pretty reliable tools in my trading strategy. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is currently sitting on the macro 236 fib, which is a typical bounce zone. But what tends to happen when you start a new downtrend is you get sharp drops onto these fibs and you get bounces along the way while the downtrend completes. And right now you can see on the chart in front of you, our macro 618 is sitting at 93K. This is how it could potentially look. So if this downtrend continues, you're probably looking at something along these lines. Now, obviously the 618 fib doesn't have to be the bottom of every single move. You might get a bounce off a 382 or one of the 0.5s, but just for the sake of this example, it's pretty clear that the price could actually go there. One more pretty bearish marker for me that does tell us that we are looking at net lower over the next couple of weeks is the 3-day oscillator. And if you look at the bottom of your chart here, you can see this 3-day oscillator has printed bearish divergence, which is naturally not a good look for the bulls. And essentially what this is telling us is that momentum is actually pushing to the downside, and until we see a confirmed reversal to the upside on this 3-day oscillator, we should be cautious being net long all the time. Now, this isn't meant to cause mass panic because, as you know, these things take a hell of a long time to play out, and in between we're going to get loads of pumps and dumps along the way. Now, if you fancy trading some of these moves to the up and the downside, you can catch me daily on the Chart Hackers channel on YouTube. Looking forward to seeing you guys there.